Febrile seizures. Febrile seizures, a seizure associated with fever. Let's see the general features. Coming to the definition, a febrile seizure involves GTCS seizures associated with rectal temperature more than 38 degrees Celsius in a neuronormal child with no intracranial infection. Here, it is worth mentioning that in the above definition, each and every word is important, hence to be noted. Other features include febrile seizure is the most common cause of seizures in childhood. But do note that febrile seizure is not considered as epilepsy. It is considered as a type of self-limited seizure disorder. And in the first video, we have differentiated the two terms, epilepsy and seizures. Coming to the age group affected, the age group affected is from 6 months to 5 years. Now let's move ahead. The clinical features. The clinical features broadly divides febrile seizures into two subcategories that are typical and atypical. Let's see the features of typical first. Typical febrile seizures include usually single episode of seizures in 24 hours, duration of seizures less than 15 minutes and generalized type of seizures. Whereas atypical febrile seizure includes more than one episode of seizure in 24 hours, duration of seizure more than 15 minutes, focal type of seizure and also family history positive. Remember, typical febrile seizure as 1, 15 and GTCS. Remember atypical febrile seizure as more than 1, more than 15 and focal seizures. Now let's move ahead. Some important points to be considered are: most of the children recovers by age of 5 years. Risk factors for developing future epilepsy may include atypical or complex febrile seizure, recurrent febrile seizure, short duration of fever prior to onset of seizure, that is, quick onset of seizures as soon as fever sets in. Please note, early onset less than 1 year is a risk factor for recurrence, but not a direct risk factor for future epilepsy. Now let's see how to extinguish this fire. The treatment. If active seizure, then it is controlled by giving benzodiazepine, and the fever is controlled by antipyretics. Note, continuous prophylaxis is not given. Rather, inform mother to give either oral or rectal benzodiazepine, example clobazam, as soon as the baby develops fever, and continue it for 3 to 5 days. Reassure the parents by telling that most of the children stop having seizure by 5 years of age.